Hello guys, welcome to the Coding Corner. I am back with another episode of the Java tutorial series. In the last video, we had made our first Java program. In this video, we are going to talk about some types of data types, which are int, long and float. First of all, you may ask, what are data types? The simple answer is, data types are memory locations created during the execution of the program in which you can store values. So basically they are name memory locations. The name is provided by you and the values are also provided by you. Well, now how to use these data types and what are int, long and float? For that we will have to create a new class first. As we may know, we have to click on the new class button. We have to type in data types, the name of the class, which is OK. Then we are going to right click on it. We are going to open the editor. We are going to select all this text and we are going to backspace. We will start with the class declaration, public class data types, and the main method declaration. Now we will type in the main code inside these brackets. So the way we use data types is, first we type the data type, of course the data type itself, which is int. First we are going to learn about int. Then the variable name, which can be anything you want, but there can't be spaces between the name. You cannot use keywords, which are the colored words right here, like this public, class, static, void and many more. You can only start with a letter. The names are case sensitive and only the underscore and dollar sign is allowed. Now let's type in the variable name. Let it be a, convenient. And now we will type in the equal to sign, also known as the assignment operator, and then the value. Int is used to store integer values, so we can store any integer inside it. For example, 5. We are going to type in the semicolon and now we are going to type in code to print it out, which we all know. To do it, we can use the default output statement of Java, system.out.println, and in the brackets a. But observe, this time we are not using double quotes. We are not using double quotes because if we use double quotes, ditto a will be printed out. We don't want to print out ditto a. We want to print out the value stored inside a. So we are basically passing an a object inside it. That's why we are not using the double quotes. Now similarly, let's do it for other variables. For long, we will similarly type in long. The name of the variable, let it be AC. The equal to sign. Long is used to store large integer values, so we will assign the value 54321 5432 to it, and now we will use the semicolon. Let's write code to print it out as well. System.out.println AC, and let's put the semicolon. Now let's move on to float. Well, float is used to store decimal values. So we'll type in float as usual. We'll type in b, name of the float, the equal to sign and the decimal value. Let it be 3.14. But what's different here is, here it can go on like 3.14000000, but we have to tell Java, man, stop right there. For that we will have to type in the f. So the f tells Java that it's just 3.14, nothing more than that, nothing less than that. And now we will add in the semicolon. We will also put in the code to print this out, and b, and we're going to pass in the semicolon. So now let's compile the program. As you can see, it's class compile, no syntax errors. We'll cross it out and we are going to click on void main string args. OK, and as you can see, boom, the values are printed out. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video we will talk about the remaining data types. Yeah, I know there are 4 more, but we'll get through, don't worry. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, take care of yourself. Cheers.